How does the electricity reaches our home? Presented by Nuina. Have you ever wondered how the electrical energy that powers all those devices in your home actually gets there? In power stations, large spinning turbines generate electricity powered by wind, coal, natural gas or water. The electrical current is sent through transformers, which increase the voltage so the power can be pushed over long distances. The electrical charge is then carried by transmission lines held up by large towers which stretch across huge distances. From the transmission lines, the electricity reaches a substation where the voltage is lowered so it can be sent on smaller power lines. The electricity is then sent through distribution lines to your neighborhood. Smaller transformers lower the voltage again so that the power is safe to use in our homes. The electricity connects to your house, where it passes through a meter which measures the amount of electricity you use. Finally, the electricity travels through wires inside the walls to the outlets and switches in your house, ready to power your devices. Fun facts. Do you know in just 1 second, electricity can travel around the world 7 times? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.